Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to register for the free Google Cloud certification, and this is the edition 3. So the registration is open for the edition 3 and there is a link. So we'll go through the link. So this is the link. Let me open the link. So there are get certified in 2025. So this is the certification program, no cost program built especially to help the build and show up on demand skill. It requires the 9 hours of learning per week. Depending of your Google Cloud expertise, are you ready? So we will be whitelisted until your application is reviewed and confirmed for the upcoming edition. So this is the exclusive for the Google Cloud customer, and registration must be made with the corporate email address. This is the main thing. You have to go through this. Whenever you are going to register, they will ask you the corporate email address. So successful participant of the program, your corporate email address must have access to the Google Workspace apps and features including Meet, Drive and Groups. So registration is open for the edition 3. So there is option apply here. You can click here. Yeah, you are the innovator. So you'll get all the things. So you have to fill this form. So first name, last name, email address, corporate email address. So here we need the corporate email address. Okay. Here we need. So we can register with the corporate email address. Then we'll submit this. So after submit, you will get this form. Okay. So thank you for registering for the Get Certified program, and you will receive a mail to Get Certified team and the status of your application at week before the edition kickoffs. So join the Get Certified announcement channel on the Discord and program updates. So you can go through that, and we already applied for the this one. So this is the first step. Then waitlist they will confirm, they will just check our email address, and then only they will accept. So acceptance, there is a opening week. So receive 7-day access to the opening week. Then there will be the certification journey, then you will get a certified. Okay, so this is the process. So here certification, these are the certification I allow. So this the available on English is, there is a language, and this, so you can go through that which certification you are going to be. So this is the edition 3. This will start from the October 13 to December 12. So associate cloud engineer, professional cloud architect, professional data engineer, and this one generative AI leader. So you can check one of this. So all the generative AI leader learning path with the 4 weeks in duration, and you can go through this. During the certification journey, you will be able to earn the following credential. So these are the credentials you will get. So skill, badges and certification. So this is the process. Here this is showing same thing. So how do I update my application in my company email or desired certification track changes? So you will be resubmit your registration, but don't worry, we easy to do. You start with the following instruction here to remove the existing registration, and afterward process the get certified. So same URL is the same, just now we open. So here you can apply now. There is a button is apply now. You can go through that, and there is some FAQs are there, frequently asked questions. So go through that, and after that, after doing this, your profile will be looks like this: your image, then your name, then other details of your whatever the details you have provided, and you have a two badges. So one will be the this one, Google Cloud Inventor get certified in 2025. You will get this one, and second you'll get the Google Cloud Innovator. Okay, so Google Cloud Innovator, you will get this. So these two badges you will get when you register with us, and when it will complete, process will complete, they will allow, and you will get a mail regarding that. So you are join the Get Cloud whitelist. wait list. So you'll get mail with this, and they will show you the time. And we are working on the building the next certification cohorts, and we'll let you know if the application is approved. So they are building the same working group of people. So with that, thank you for interest on joining the Get Certified programming. There your name Get Certified. Confirm you are at least on edition 3. We'll be in touch with the October 2. So 2nd of October 2025 they will registration. Next step they will get, and check out the certified page for the full detail on FAQs. So FAQs we are already written, so you can go through this step by step. Main thing is that you have to get a corporate email, so that one you need, and then only you can register. So this is my registration page. Again I'm showing. So this is the get certified in 2025 from the Google Cloud. Okay. So in this video, we have learned step-by-step process for the get certified in 2025 from the Google Cloud. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.